behind the lines, and we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 14 officially underway here on the Curie division. We have entered our autonomous period where robots are completely controlled by code all by themselves. We're going to get plenty of game pieces being scored on either side of these alliances. We're going coral for coral on both sides. Looks like the Red Alliance is going to take the early lead with a score of 44-40 in favor of Red. Robots are going to come alive here in the teleoperated period. This time it's the students' turn to take control of their mighty machines. We've got coral being scored on either side of the field. 166 Chop Shop racing themselves on up to the level 4 to drop off a piece of coral with their partners, the Binary Battalion, going up for a layup for one piece of algae in the Red Alliance barge. They'll try to rescore that as well with plenty of time to go. Blue Alliance side of the field, their human player dropping off a piece of algae up into the barge. Their partners 75 are racing on over to the human feed station with their partners 2640. That is the Hotbots racing on over to complete a level 4, just missing out on a piece of algae. Algae's bouncing up and out of barges for both of these alliances. 6421, the Warrior Bots, trying to sink on a piece of algae into the level 3, but pulling it back as well. 7028, the Binary Battalion, lining themselves up on level 4, trying to fill that final slot and sinking it on down. Red Alliance has completed their crown of coral on their side of the field. Back on the opposite side of the field for the Blue Alliance, 9422 has got a piece of algae stuck in their robot, releasing it on out to their partners in waiting. 2640, the Hotbots, dropping off another piece of coral for the Blue Alliance, extending their arm up and out and up and out, just giving it a little bit of a stretch here with a little less than a minute to play. Both of these alliances trying to reach that coral ranking point where at least 7 pieces of coral are scored on each level. That will reduce the ranking point threshold if they get the cooperation bonus. Red Alliance has activated theirs. We'll see if Blue Alliance is going to score an algae in the processor to do that for them as well. 9442, Miso Mechanics looking to make some ramen with some coral, dropping off a piece onto level 3 for another couple of points. That means it's time for our end game. We have 10 points separating these two teams as they go to climb towards the surface onto their cages. They're going to be pulled on up by their chains. We've got 3 Red Alliance robots lining themselves up. Can we see 3 Red Alliance robots up in the air? 7028's up in the air. Chop Chop's up in the air. We have 3 Red Alliance robots up in the air, 2 Blue Alliance robots up in the air, and 4 points separating these two teams. Wingfish goes to the Red Alliance with a score of 195 to 181. Red Alliance is going to walk home with the win with 5 ranking points. Blue Alliance has got 2 as well. We'll be back with match number 15 in just a moment.